back. Another random episode with Superman JP, Shirtless J, the Black Vin Diesel, the Darkest of Nights, all that good stuff. That's a mouthful. Let's move on. Anyways, getting over to this other project we got. Boom. Yeah. XR 100R. Everybody knows I love my Hondas. I pick a Honda over anything, any day. This one I got for pretty much doing work on somebody's stuff. They paid me with this, and after getting it, shoot, I'd kind of rather take money, but anyways, I like projects. So we're gonna do a rundown. Let me turn this down. I got some Saturday Night Live going on with Will Ferrell and Christopher Walken. But anyways, this thing, let's just go through everything it needs right now, and we'll do a finish up video or whatever the case, follow up video, project video next. But here we go. So initially I thought it was missing complete clutch cables because clutch isn't connecting. He said he's been banging it through the gears even though he has no clutch. The reason he has no clutch is because there's nowhere for this clutch cable to actually mount. I'm happy it at least has a clutch cable and I don't have to buy one, but I'm gonna manufacture some kind of bracket to hold this clutch cable right here, as you see, and then we'll have a way to engage the clutch. I had this mount from another bike here, and what I did was just cut one of the pieces off there, and this is what I had left. So what I'm gonna do is end up taking it, putting it on this bolt like this, and then cutting a notch into it where the clutch cable can actually sit in the notch and then engage the clutch. So that should work, but I'm gonna do that at a later date. So that's number one. Number two is the actual front brake cable, which is in pretty bad shape. It was in there. I had to maneuver it out of there. This piece was mangled. I ended up bending it back to some kind of shape here. And then up here, where it actually mounts at right there, is broke completely off. So I gotta work something out with that. Let's get some flash going. Yeah, I have to work something out with this. And I do not believe this is metal, so I'm not sure what I'm going to do in this situation. Maybe put a bracket up here where this piece is and just have it hanging down somewhere like that. I don't know. But like usual, I'll work something out, make something happen. But yeah, those are two upfront cables that are messed up. Luckily the throttle cable actually works, so that's good. Fork seals is busted badly, as you see this, yeah, really bad. This is some bolts here. It was missing a bolt here. This is about the only thing I did to it. I had it for about a week now and never put my hands on it, but this fan right here was hanging down pretty far like that. So I put a bolt in there. You can see where the tires are marking it up. That's another good thing too. It has brand new tires on it, on the front and on the back. So that's pretty much the main reason I accepted this thing. But moving to the back, the carburetor needs some help. It does run, which is a decent thing. But yeah, it runs. Let me just say that. Moving on to the back, this brake cable here is pretty much nothing. It just, it's nothing. So I'm gonna have to work something out with that. Maybe I can, well, I'm just gonna take this off, back it up, adjust it so it's further back, and that would be working. There's nothing big there. And moving on to the other side. Oh yeah, both foot pegs are mad small. and bent. So that's something to work on. This looks like a new shifter, all right? But since he's been banging it through the gears, it actually is broke. Like, it's supposed to be there, but it goes all the way down there. It's just a matter of time before it breaks completely to freak off. Also, the gas tank is leaking up here. There's a crack in it. They try to repair it with some crap, I don't even know. They also spray painted the tank and stuff, as you see. A terrible spray paint job. So I'll most likely take the whole engine out and repaint the frame. Probably some bright, crazy color. And then repaint the whole thing. And have some brakes right here. Whenever I do the frame, I'll break that apart and re-weld it. Do that. Luckily it has an FMF exhaust that doesn't sound half bad for this bike. And there you go. This number plate most likely has to go too, or I'll repair it, recover it, and do something else to it. But yeah, this is the XR. As you see, it's a 1997 model. XR 100R. Is not bored out, so it's a stock 100. And yeah, that's about it. So if you guys are interested in this, stay tuned. I don't know, give me some feedback or whatever the case. I want to turn it into something different. Yeah. Stock XRs usually are like white and red and black or blue, but I'm gonna do something different with it. So you guys can stay tuned for that if you're interested. Regardless, it's going to get done. Something else that needs to be done. Another project. I love them. We'll keep them coming. Anyways, appreciate you guys for watching. Stay positive, stay motivated. Whatever you got to do, get out there and do it so you don't have to worry about doing it tomorrow. And also do it today so somebody else can't do it before you do it. You know what I mean? Anyways, stay blessed, you guys. Peace out.